Welcome to a quick presentation of Mutares. My name is Johannes Laumann. I'm the CIO of Mutares, responsible for the transactions, the portfolio development, and the investor relation part. Mutares is a special situation turnaround investor. What is our mission? What is our vision? What do we want to achieve? So we are the guys taking care of special situations. We are the entrepreneurs. We are looking over carve-out situations from big corporates, which is an unloved business, the unloved child. And we do these acquisitions. We acquire these businesses, we carve it out, and then with our own operational team, we create value, we create a turnaround, we transform the business, we sustain the business, and we sell the business at the end of the day. So our vision is to be the preferred partner, the first in mind, first in choice for our people, for the shareholders, for the sellers, and also the competitors. So when it comes to special situation in Europe, we want to be the preferred partner. And when I talk about Europe, I talk about the offices we hold. We have the headquarters is here in Germany, but we run a big operation in Italy. We have an office in Paris. We run in London, Stockholm, Madrid, and we are going to open Amsterdam for the Benelux region. So all these offices gives us a unique opportunity in all those countries to acquire businesses. And what we do is basically, and what is our unique point is, we are the people to evaluate risk. So we evaluate the risk of the carve-out situation. We evaluate the risk of a company and ask the seller to fund this business. And we take over the business, we acquire the business, most of the time loss-making business, so 2/3 are loss-making, 1/3 are profitable and strategic add-ons for the business. And then we go through a turnaround phase, what we call realignment. So we do a hardcore restructuring from time to time, meaning social plans, meaning talking to customers, meaning talking to suppliers, setting up a new strategy. And then we go in the optimization where we ask ourselves, can we do a buy and build strategy on it, or is it ready to exit? And that's the last step, doing the exit. The typical holding period for us will be in the range of 4 to 6 years. However, we are not a fund. We are stock listed in Frankfurt. We are not forced to sell. What we want to achieve is we want to have 7 to 10 times back our money. And proving track record of this year shows that we are able to do that. We are on an extremely strong growth path in the last 24 months. We grew from close to a billion. Now we expect 2.4 billion this year, and we have just upgraded our guidance to achieve 5 billion in 2023. We operate in the segments of automotive, of engineering, and goods and services. Those are segments where we have our expertise and where we believe it's good from a risk point of view, because automotive, you have an early cycle in the economy, engineering technology, you have a late cycle in the economy, and goods and services, you basically have a non-cyclic business. There are companies where we have products which you need at a certain point in time, whatever the life cycle does. And this is how we position our business. So how do we get all these transactions? We have around 20 people in the transaction team, in those offices I mentioned before. We looked in 2020 more than 3,000 opportunities, and we strike at least 1 deal per month. 2/3 are these platform acquisitions I spoke before. 1/3 are the add-on acquisitions, where in the optimization phase we say, okay, we strategically acquire something and we strategically add on something. Almost all our acquisitions are corporate carve-out situations of the unloved child. The sustainability of our business and how we invest is important to us. So we are not the cowboys going in, shoot around and leaving. We drive a sustainable value creation. This is important because the management holds 40% of the shares. So we are very much interested as the management in a sustainable value creation. We are very much interested into the efficiency, into diversity, and into, of course, a governance codex which is in line with common practice. So we have, as a management, not the short-term focus. We have the long-term focus, and we have the focus of being the entrepreneurs who succeed business-wise, but also to make the world a little bit better. Thank you very much.
Hi there, since you watched this company video until the end, I'm guessing you liked the video. And that's probably because we work very hard to create the most engaging and added value content for you. If you're a company and want to find out how we, at Seat11A, can make a company video with and about you, please email us at content@seat11a.com.